All right, today we are going to learn about the multiplication box method for multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So we are going to start out with the fact 28 times 74. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 boxes right here. And I'm going to start with 28. And I see that there are 2 10s, which is 20, and 8 1s, which is 8. Okay, and then we're going to move on to our second number, 74. And I'm going to put that on the side. I've got 70 for my 10s and 4 for my 1s. Now it's time to do my multiplication. So I'm going to start out with 70 times 20. And I'm going to put the answer right in this box. So 70 times 20 is 1,400 or 1,400. And then I'm going to move over to 70 times 8. And that answer is going to go right in this box. So 70 times 8 is 560. Now I'm going to work with this bottom 4 right here. First, I'm going to do 4 times 20. And 4 times 20 is 80. And now I'm going to do 4 times 8, and that answer is going to go right down here in this box. 4 times 8 is 32. So I've got my 4 numbers, and now I'm going to add them on the side. I'm going to do 1,400 plus 560 plus 80 plus 32. Now I have to switch over to adding instead of my multiplication brain. So I'm going to add all of these numbers together. 6 plus 8 is 14, 3 more is 17, and 10, and 2. So my answer is 2,072. Let's try another one together. Next one we're going to do is 63 times 27. So I'm going to start out by making my 4 boxes for my 2-digit by 2-digit. Let's start with 63, which would be 60 in the 10s and 3 1s. And now I have 27, so that's going to be 20 for 10s and 7 1s. Now I'm ready to do my multiplication. I'm going to start out with 60 times 20, which would be 1,200 or 1,200. Now I'm going to take this 20 and go over here to this 3. 20 times 3 is 60. Now I'm ready for the bottom number. I'm going to do 7 times 60. I know that 7 times 6 is 42, and then I'll add a 0 for 420. And now I'm going to do that 7 again. This time 7 times 3 is 21. I've got my 4 numbers. I've got 1,200 plus 60 plus 420 plus 21. I'm switching my brain over to addition now. I'm going to add up each of my columns. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 2 more is 10. Carry that 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. And 1,000. So my answer this time is 1,701. Let's go ahead and try one on your own. So I want you to try 65 times 39. Go ahead and pause the video here and give that one a shot. Okay, let's go ahead and check in with 65 times 39. We've got 65, so that would be 60 plus 5 on the top. And for our second number is 39. I'm going to put my 30 10s over here and my 9 1s right here. I'm going to start out with 60 times 30, 1,800. And 30 times 5 would be 150. Next, I'm going to move down to my 9. 9 times 60 is 540, and 9 times 5 is 45. Let's go ahead and put our numbers over here to add them up. Line them up carefully. 1,800 plus 150 plus 540 plus 45. Add up my numbers. And my answer should be 2,535. How did you do? Hopefully you got it right. All right, let's try one more on your own. This time, let's give 53 times 74 a try. So go ahead and pause the video here and give it a try. All right, let's go ahead and make our boxes for the box method. I'm going to start out with 53. Which is going to be 50 tens and 3 ones, and 74, which is going to be 70 plus 4. Let's go ahead and do our multiplication. Starting out with the 70, first 70 times 50, 3,500, and 70 times 3, which would be 210. Next, we'll do this 4. 4 times 50 is 200. And 4 times 3 is 12. We've got 3,500 plus 210 plus 200 plus 12. Switch over to addition mode. And our answer should be 3,922. Hopefully the box method is easier for you to understand now. Good luck.